Oh, hello. Welcome back to our APUSH review Fireside Chats number 3 now. This one is also about the DBQ and actually the LEQ for that matter. For the contextualization is our topic on this one. There's a lot to be said about contextualization, but I just want to clear up a misconception on it. It is not your thesis, and it is not a body paragraph, and it is not where you bring in the evidence that you're going to be arguing with throughout your essay. Contextualization should start off your essay. It should be part of the first introduction paragraph. The two elements of the introduction should include your contextualization. I'd say put that first, and then your thesis. That's it for paragraph number 1, really. Then body paragraph number 1, paragraph number 2 of the overall essay would be next. So, what is contextualization if it's not arguing your thesis? The goal of contextualization is not to prove your point yet. It's not to answer the question prompt yet. The point of it is to frame the question within the bigger time frame of the era. So to put it another way, the goal of contextualization is to help us understand how we got to this question. Why is it being asked? Well, because of this historical trend that led up to this time frame. So a formula to do contextualization could sound something like, in order to understand, and then describe the question, in order to understand how the extent to which blank and blank influenced blank and blank, whatever the question's asking, one must look to the historical trend of, and then what is your contextualization? What is that thing that helps us better understand how we got to the question? And further define your contextualization with an historical event or figure, some kind of proper noun that shows you really understand it. Describe that in a sentence or two, and then finally connect back to the question prompt. So, how does it tie in to the question prompt and lead us to the topic we're about to discuss? Or I should say the topic that we're about to argue about in our thesis. All right. So good luck to you. You've got this. Stay tuned for Fireside Chat number 4.